Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna talk about naming alkanes and how do we do that and all the steps to name an alkane. So first, to get started with, the first thing we should know before we name an alkane, we need to know how many um, carbons are in a molecule. So let's just start with this shape. If we have this carbon with another carbon with another carbon, if you notice that all of these carbons which I made here, they are single bonds. So that's what make alkanes special, because they are only a single bond. So if you notice that carbon has only one single bond with another carbon, so it should associate with another 3 atoms, which I will be filling by 3 hydrogen. So let's just do that. It's hydrogen, hydrogen, and I will do that the same. So if you can see now that every carbon has 4 bonds, has 4 covalent bonds. So this carbon is stable and every carbon here is stable. Alright, so how many carbons do I made here? If you can look, there's 1, 2, and 3. So this molecule is consists of 3 carbons. Alright, so what is the prefix do I should need to name this alkane? So first, there are some, so let me just put the numbers here. If we have 1 carbon, the prefix will be meth. 2 carbons will be eth. 3 carbons will be prob. 4 carbon but. 5 carbon pent. 6 carbon will be hex. Hex like hexagon. 7 carbon will be hept. 8 carbons will be oct. Oct like octagon. 9 carbon will be non, and 10 will be dec. So this is the first 10 prefixes. It can be more than 10. But actually we don't need that, but if you want to know, 11 will have another prefix. It will be un. Un means 1, and with dec, undec, like this. So this will be 11. 12 will be do, dec. 13 will be tridec. And 14 will be tetradec. Tetradec. Alright, and 15 will be pentadec, and so on. So let's just return to my shape here. So we say that here we have 3 carbons. So the prefix will be, of course, prob. And we know that all of these bonds are single bonds. So this should be an alkane. So if it is an alkane group, so we will take the suffix "an", so it will be proban. Alright, so let's just have another example. Let me just draw here. But now in this instance, I'm gonna draw a carbon skeleton, but in another shape. It's called by a stick structure. So it will be like this. So here. So now what we should know first is how many carbons do we have here. So every input in this lines is a carbon. So let's just see. Here's one carbon. Here's another carbon. Carbon. So how many carbons do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon. So what is the prefix we need here? So if you can see here, 7 present for hept. So say hept. And because all bonds here are single bonds, so we'll say here heptan. Alright, so this is an heptan. Let's just have another example. So how many carbons do we have here? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 carbons here. So what is the prefix? What is the prefix here? So if you have 8 carbons here, so it will be oct. Oct-an. So it'll be octan. Alright?